How to delete a stored credentials in n8n by finding it easily. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily find and manage your n8n credentials. So for that, the first thing that you will need to do is launch your n8n instance. Since I work on my n8n locally, I have launched my local n8n instance within the local host. Now, once your n8n instance has launched, click onto this home overview and then click on credentials. Now, within the credentials, choose that particular credential which you want to delete. So, for example, let's say I want to delete my Olama credential. So, what I'm going to do is click onto these three dots and then click onto this delete option. It says, are you sure you want to delete the Olama account? This may break any workflows that use it. If you wish to continue, click onto this yes delete button and you can see that the credential has been successfully deleted from that particular workflow anywhere it has been used. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.